Sagittarius. Welcome back to Angels Light Tarot. Thank you for stopping by for your monthly general message for September 2020. No love in this message. We're going to do a full love message maybe next week. Okay, for September, angels and guides, positive energy for Sagittarius for the month of September. Angels, we're looking for positive energy. Thank you. One more for Sagittarius, please. Thank you and thank you. Moving on to my mama's deck. Angels and guides, positive energy, please. Positive energy. Yes, I feel like that goes there. Yes, and yes. Positive energy for Sagittarius. Angels, what's going on? What's the energy? What is the positive energy for Sag? Come on, angels. What's going on? What's the 411? I got a little itch there. What's the 411 for Sagittarius? Thank you. Oh, looking for positive energy. High vibrations. Yes. For Sagittarius for the month of September 2020. For the month of 2020. One more, please. Thank you, and I thank you. Moving on to the Angels deck. Positive energy, please. Positive energy for for Sagittarius, and we're going to add, of course, the new deck. Angels, positive energy, high vibrations, no, only positive energy, only joy that we are looking for, just joy. Angels, positive energy, yes, and we're of course we're going to top it off, Sag, with the hummingbird. So yes, you're like, Dora, how many decks are you going to put down there? We're almost done, Sag. I promise this is the last deck for Sagittarius. Thank you. Almost there. Yes, and yes. Almost there, Sag. Whoa. Okay, so let's get right into your message. Yes, and yes. Positive energy. Major theme for the month is the 10 of Wands. Are you ready? Are you ready for the work? Are you ready for the work? With the King of Clubs, I definitely feel the work. This work is putting you in a position of leadership. People are really looking up to you. They expect you to know. Okay, they expect you to know. With the 4 of Clubs, you already know that you know, right? With the Angel of Flow, this is going to be easy for you, okay? Don't think, oh my God, I have so much work to do and everyone wants me and needs my information. You're just gonna let it flow. Yes. Triumph and success. Yes, you will. With the angel with the outdoors, I feel like you are finding a way to separate, yourself from this work. As in, maybe taking time off, maybe taking the weekends off, maybe taking a vacation, if you will. With the angel, with the 10 of Swords, I see that, this is a blessing for you. I feel like there's some perfect balance going on here. With the 10 of Spades, there is so much success around you. Wow, the work just keeps coming. And with the 10 of Clubs, there's like double success here. There's a lot of success. There's a lot of people just need you. People want you. You're feeling like, ugh, come on, I don't have anything else to tell you, right? You're like, ugh, what else do you need? I feel like they're texting you, they're calling you. They need you, okay? That's all I'm saying. And you should feel pretty proud that they need you. You should be patting yourself on the back like, wow, I'm in a really good place this month, okay? Now, when we look at your recent past, we have the Page of Wands reversed with the King of Hearts, the 4 of Spades, Angel of Femininity, the Heart Chakra, the Peace card, the Chariot, the 4 of Diamonds, and the 6 of Diamonds. So I'm feeling like with the Page of Wands, there is a holdup. There's definitely a holdup in the recent past. But, here's the thing. things weren't necessarily moving in the direction that you wanted them to, but with the King of Hearts, I definitely feel there was an element of you getting control of your emotions. You're like, okay, I can handle this. I can definitely handle this. What, did it feel like a grind? Yeah, it did. It did feel like a grind, but you know what? You overcame that situation. With the Angel of Femininity, you put yourself in a supporting role. I feel like this was dear to your heart, if you will. It definitely brought you peace. With the Chariot card, you could now move forward with the Four of Diamonds with security that things would definitely last, right? Now, that was in the recent past. Now, in the middle of the month, Sag, you have, wow, the Ace of Pentacles, the Seven of Hearts, the Three of Clubs, the Angel of Rescue, financial and material changes, the Counselor, the two of Crystals, yes, the Joker, and the Four of Hearts. Yeah, there's a lot going on here. So in the middle of the month, I definitely see a new opportunity coming to you. This opportunity looks like it's financial. Yes. But with the Seven of Hearts, I'm feeling like this financial opportunity, there's something about it that you just don't like, if that makes sense. You're kind of worried about it. You're really worried about this new opportunity. It feels like you're giving so much of yourself in this opportunity, but you know it's going to change your financial and material situation. I feel like before you make this move, you're going to search out, you're going to talk to someone about this, because you want stability. You definitely want stability, but you're not sure if you're going to get it. But the Four of Hearts is telling me that follow suit. Get advice. Yes. With the Four of Hearts, because I feel like when you get that advice that you are searching for, it will definitely make you feel safe and secure emotionally. And like, aha, I think I can do this. Yeah, I think I can do this. All right, now let's look at the end of the month. You have the Seven of Swords with the Joker card and the Two of Spades with the Angel of Inner Strength. Yes. The Triumph card, Angel Therapy, Four of Crystals, Ace of Spades, and the Seven of Clubs. So by the end of the month, I see you walking away from something. And if you're not literally walking away physically, you're thinking about walking away. But I see that you're kind of like, should I? Shouldn't I? Maybe I should. Maybe I should. With the Joker card, you're just not so sure if I do, what will happen. If I don't, what will happen. With the Two of Spades, I definitely feel like this has something to do with a partnership. It could be a romantic partnership, business partnership, or friendship, right? But you have the inner strength. I feel like you have the inner strength to make a success out of this decision. I feel like I hear you're gonna pray on this. You're definitely gonna pray on this before you walk away from this situation. It's going to bring you, when you walk away, if you choose to walk away, it's definitely going to bring you security and more control of your life. You're looking for a new beginning, but it's not just a superficial new beginning. This is a life altering new beginning that you're looking for. With the Seven of Clubs, it's like, I'm seeing you pray about it. I'm seeing you meditate about it before you make this decision. There's a part of you that wants to walk away from something, and you're not so sure this is something that you want to do, but I see you teetering more on literally walking away. Yeah. This is something you've been thinking about. And I feel like by the end of the month, you're going to be looking into something new. This something new could be, it could be a new line of work. It could be a new spiritual discipline. Maybe you start studying numerology or tarot, or you start developing your psychic ability. But it's something new, almost like you're just searching for something, right? Because what you're dealing with right now, it's just kind of not working out for you. You're feeling now. You're not so sure about that. Okay, so let's look at your bonus. You have the Ace of Wands. Yes. With the Ten of Cups and the Nine of Clubs with the Two of Diamonds, the Angel the angel of action, the solitude card with you are safe, and the 3 of crystals, yes, 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 with the 3 of spades and the 7 of hearts. So I feel like there is a new beginning. Yes. There is a new beginning. I actually see you not thinking about it. I see you actually moving in the direction of the new beginning because you know that it's going to bring you joy. It's going to bring you happiness. With the 9 of clubs, I see you sharing that happiness. And I feel like this is about a financial partnership. It could be a financial partnership with a person, with a bank, it could be a financial deal, a check in the mail. But I definitely see joy. I see you taking action. Once again, a lot of action. Yes, with the solitude card, I feel like there's a bit of you that's like, you know, I see you taking this action alone. I feel like whatever this is that you're dealing with, yes, it has something to do with someone else, right? Or an institution, or a bank, or a loan, or something of that nature. But I see what you're doing it for you. You're doing it for your own benefit. And this is going to make you safe, right? Maybe you're working alone. Maybe you're starting a new discipline at home. Maybe you're starting a new line of work and you're working at home. This is definitely something that's going to keep you busy, if you know what I mean. With the 3 of spades, it's almost like you're worried with the 7 of hearts. You're worried about it not working out. You're really worried about that. But it's okay because I feel like you're doing 2 things at one time. Maybe you're doing maybe you're doing 2 different side hustles, or maybe you're doing your job and a side hustle, or maybe you're doing something totally brand new, something so creative, so out of the box that you're like, I just don't know if this is going to work, and you're feeling like other people are not going to support you on this journey. But release that attachment to what other people think and move ahead anyway, because I feel like there is going to be a new beginning, and I feel like that new beginning is going to, it's almost like you may have to walk away from the naysayers. You may have to walk away from people that don't support your journeys. Maybe there's been something that you have wanted to do forever, and someone has always said no, or this group of people have always said no, and now you're like, no, I'm ready to do this. I need to do this. And you know what? People need you. People definitely, whatever it is, it's needed. Maybe you're learning something that you need to teach someone else, or maybe you're doing something that's going to help other people. But I definitely feel like whatever this is, you're making this decision on your own. Almost like you have to make it on your own. If you listen to other people, you may miss an opportunity that's going to help you rise up. Yes, in life. Okay, so I send you joy, namaste, and much, much love sent your way.